Today I'm going to show you how to create RGB text effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. I will create a text and type RGB effect and resize the text layer. Then I'll go Effect and search Color Balance and leave it the layer. And I'll go Effect Control. See, here is the effect. Next we will make 3 copies of the layer. Then select the first layer and increase the red percentage 100% and decrease green and blue 0%. After that I will screen the blending mode. Similarly we will make the other 2 layers. Green and blue, make them 100%. Again we will make screen the blending mode. When this is complete, we will animate the each layer. Turn on the position keyframe. Then go forwards 2 frames. Then we will increase position in the middle. We will make a copy and paste it on each layer in the same way. Similarly, we will animate the scale. Similarly, we will animate the rotation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.